Hi boys and girls, Miss Deb here. We have been working on a farm unit and I read this book with some of you this week in our FaceTime Zoom meetings. So I thought since we're working on farm, I would show you how to make a snack that looks like a couple farm animals. So the first thing we're going to need is some English muffins. So I have an English muffin here, and you'll have to get your mommies and daddies to cut it open for you. And it looks like this. So the first thing I thought we would make is a chicken. So I have some cream cheese, and that's always good on an English muffin. So we're going to take our cream cheese, we're going to spread it all over our English muffin. And you can toast your English muffin before you do this, but you have to get mommy and daddy to help you with that, okay, or a grown-up. So this is what it looks like when it has the cream cheese on it. So now we have to make it look like a chicken. Sorry, I need to wipe my hand. So a chicken has that funny little thing on its head. Let me see if I can show you a picture from the book. See this funny little, it's called a comb. So we're going to put the comb on the chicken's head. We're going to do ours out of sliced strawberries. And I think that kind of looks like the chicken comb on top of his head. Now, in the picture I just showed you, the chicken has a beak. So he has a beak. So I took a slice of banana and I cut it in half. So I'm going to put that on for the chicken's beak. Now, in the picture we looked at, the chicken, it has, if you look again, it has this little, it almost looks like a turkey gobbler. And I don't know what it's called, but we're going to put that on with another little piece. I just cut a little piece of strawberry for that. And we need eyes for our chicken. So I have some blueberries here. And I'm just going to try to find 2 blueberries that are close in size. And I'm going to stick those on for my chicken. So here is a chicken English muffin. Now, I have another idea. I thought we could do a pig. There's a picture of a pig right here on the cover of my farm book. So I thought pigs are a little bit pink. So I got some strawberry cream cheese. And it's hard to tell, but it has a little bit of pink to the color of it. So we are going to take the pink strawberry cream cheese and spread it on the English muffin. And again, you can have a grown-up toast your English muffin for you. And that would make this even more yummy. Okay. So, if you look here in the picture, this is the pig's snout. It's a big round snout. So I was thinking if we cut a piece of banana, that could be the snout. So I cut a slice of banana and I'm going to put it right down there where the snout would be. And again, we need eyes. So I kind of like the idea of doing blueberry eyes. So we're going to take our blueberries and we're going to look for 2 blueberries that are close in size. We want them the same size. I think those two are pretty close in size. So we are going to put our eyes on our piggy. Now our pigs have kind of big ears. You can see here in the picture, they've got some big ears. So I sliced some strawberries to look like ears. So we're just going to place these strawberry slices on. And there you have it. That is my English muffin pig. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope you enjoy your English muffin snack. And I hope you continue to learn a whole bunch more about farm this week. And I miss you all, and I hope you enjoy this.